off, you would need this Gulab Jamun mix, and you could find it at any Indian grocery store. And you would need 2 cups of this. Now we need ½ cup of ricotta cheese. So then you would need 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Let's first put the lid on. 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. So I'm going to put it in. Next, you would need 1 tablespoon of ghee. Then you want 1/4 cup of milk. So you would want to knead it until it's smooth, and put the milk little by little, not a lot. Let's put a little. So you want to keep kneading it until it's soft. Now that the dough is soft and smooth, we're going to make the Gulab Jamun dough balls. So first you would need a little bit of ghee on your hand. A little bit, not a lot. Put it on your hands, then put it on the dough a little bit. Now we're going to make the dough balls. Make sure, the reason why you want to keep them small, because when you put it in the pan of oil, when you deep fry it and when you put it in the syrup, it expands. So I'm making my second dough ball right now. It's coming into a circle and it's having no cracks. That means it's ready. So now we're almost done making the balls. I just have one more to make. I am so excited to taste these. So I'm putting them here. Now let's make the syrup. I put 2 cups of water and I put 2 cups of sugar. And now I'm going to put 2 cardamoms. Make sure you don't make the syrup too thick or too thin. Now let's take 1 Gulab Jamun and let's put it in. And don't put too many. Don't put too many in. Otherwise it might stick together. And you don't want to put it too high, because otherwise what will happen is the outside will become cooked but the inside will stay raw. And wait till it's golden brown. When it's golden brown, that means it's ready. So our first batch is in the syrup. We're going to fry our second batch. So I'm putting the Gulab Jamuns now into the syrup. Now the Gulab Jamun's all ready. It's ready for a taste test. Let me try it. It's fluffy, soft, and very juicy. Bon appetit, now you may eat. Make sure to subscribe and like.